So next it is the chemical properties of phenols. In the chemical properties of phenols, first it is litmus test. When we observe the phenols, which are water soluble phenols, that shows litmus paper taste. They change blue litmus to red. It confirms the acidic character of phenol. Alcohols does not show this taste. Second test, it is a reaction with base. As we have the acidic character of phenols are weak acidic in nature. So they does not react with the sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, there is no reaction. But as we react the phenols with strong bases like sodium hydroxide, phenols on a treatment with sodium hydroxide, they give us the water soluble. They give us water soluble phenoxide ion, phenoxide salt, sodium salt of phenoxide. It is prepared. This prepared sodium salt of phenoxide, sodium phenoxide ion or sodium phenoxide salt is on treatment with acid. On a treatment with acid, aqueous solution of sodium phenoxide on treatment with dilute acid is reprecipitate the phenols. We are having the formation of reprecipitation of the phenols. You know, observe the characteristic states for phenols. This test is used in laboratory for the confirmation of the presence of phenolic OH group. Phenols on a treatment with neutral ferric chloride. Phenol on a treatment with neutral ferric chloride, it gives us the formation of deep coloration, green, purple or violet. These three are the colors. Out of these three we are having in one coloration of the ferric phenoxide. Ferric phenoxide, it is either the purple color or green color or violet color. The coloration, it is deep for the phenols. We are having the formation of this type of coloration. We will observe the acidic characters of phenols. Phenols on treatment with water, in the water the dissociation of phenol is takes place to have the formation of corresponding phenoxide ion. Formation of phenoxide ion. This negative charge is delocalized over the ring and undergoes resonance stabilization. Undergoes resonance stabilization of the phenoxide ion. Resonance stabilization of the negative charge, which confirms the acidic character in the equilibrium of the ionization of phenol ions. These are the some tests which shows us the acidic character of phenols. Litmus paper test, which shows us the change of the color of the blue litmus to red, which confirms the presence of acidic nature. Also the reaction with base. As the phenols are weak acidic in nature, they can react with strong bases to have the formation of corresponding water-soluble sodium phenoxide, which further reprecipitated on treatment with acid, hydrochloric acid. Also the characteristics for phenol, which involves the formation of deep coloration of this ferric phenoxide, either green or violet or purple coloration. Also the character of phenol, which shows us the change of the negative charge by the delocalization with the ring. These are the some acidic characters of the phenols, acidic nature of the phenols, which are involving in the chemical properties of phenols. Now the esterification reaction. Stop it. The next chemical property of phenol is esterification reaction. Esterification is a reaction in which formation of esteres takes place generally. When we react the phenols with carboxylic acids, when we react the phenols with acid anhydride, in the presence of acid, I am taking here the concentrated sulfuric acid. Phenols on treatment with carboxylic acids in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, they give us the formation of corresponding ester. They give us the formation of ester with the preparation of water. Water in which one is make a reversible reaction of phenols in presence of dilute. Water makes a reaction with the ester in presence of dilute acid to have the formation of phenol and carboxylic acid. So this reaction is conducted in presence of strong dehydrating agent sulfuric acid. For example, phenol. On treatment with acetic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, reversible reaction is also conducted here to have the formation of corresponding methyl benzoic formation of methyl benzene. Like this, when phenols are treated, these are reacted with acid anhydrides in presence of acid. Acid anhydrides in presence of acid. They give us the formation of corresponding ester with the preparation of acid. So generally these reactions are reversible. To conduct these reactions, we conduct these reactions in presence of concentrated acids. For example, phenol on a treatment with acetic anhydride in presence of acid, they give us the formation of corresponding methyl benzoate. Formation of methyl benzoate. Like this, esterification reaction is conducted of phenol with acid chlorides also. Phenols on a treatment with acid chlorides, it gives us the formation of ester. But the reaction of phenols with acid chlorides is have the formation of hydrochloric acid as a byproduct, which make that reaction reversible. To prevent the reverse reaction of esters formed by the action of phenols with acid chlorides by hydrochloric acid, we conduct that reaction in presence of a base, in presence of a suitable base, which is pyridine. Phenols on a treatment with acid chloride, on treatment with acid chloride in presence of a base like pyridine, it gives us the formation of ester. For example, phenol on a treatment with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine, it gives us the formation of methyl benzoate. Formation of methyl benzoate. Formation of methyl benzoate. These reactions are mainly involve the formation of ester from phenols. So we consider this reaction as esterification reaction. Now, the acetyl derivatives of the phenols. Acetyl derivatives of phenols. Substituted phenol compounds are those compounds which are have the presence of phenolic OH group. How many phenolic OH groups are present in that compound is identified by using these reactions. When the CH3CO group, this group is known as acetyl group. This group in the form of acid anhydrides is reacts with the substituted phenol derivative compounds to have the formation of corresponding acetyl substituted compounds. Acetyl substituted compounds. The best or well-known compound it is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is on treatment with acid anhydride. I am taking here acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride in presence of acid. In presence of acid. Salicylic acid on treatment with the acetic anhydride in presence of acid. It gives us the formation of corresponding acetal derivative of salicylic acid. Formation of acetyl salicylic acid. The prepared acetyl salicylic acid is known as aspirin. Is known as aspirin, which one is a generic medicine, well-known generic medicine in the today's life. Salicylic acid gives us the formation of aspirin, which involves the introduction of acetyl group to the phenols, which replaces the corresponding phenolic OH, or we can say the replacement of that position. Acetyl group is takes place at that position where the phenolic OH is present. So these type of reactions are useful for identification or the conservation of the phenolic OH or hydroxyl groups in the corresponding compounds. The further example you have been studied in the biomolecules. We have studied that example where the presence of 5 hydroxyl groups is confirmed by the reaction with that corresponding acid anhydrides to have the formation of corresponding glucose pentacetate, which involves the confirmation of the presence of hydroxyl groups. There, confirmation of 5 hydroxyl groups takes place. This type of reaction involves the formation of corresponding acetal derivative compounds of the phenols, which is useful for confirmation of the presence of hydroxyl groups. Thank you.